Okay, everybody, it's Monday morning. Making a load to the scrapyard. So what I got here is I got some short steel in these cans, and up in the front there, some a little bit more short steel. And then I have some copper, some brass, a couple electric motors. What else? There was a couple batteries, things like that. So we'll see what this all load brings. As you can see, this is all the tin stuff. Washing machine. There's an old generator, stovetop. This is a golf cart down in here. You see, this is just random chairs and all kinds of crap. Water heater. Step back a little bit so you can see it. Step back of the truck. Yeah, I didn't take this electric motor off this generator. It was too heavy. Old chainsaw, barbecue grill. I wonder if anybody can guess what this is going to actually come out to. But this is what's going to make the money today. The stuff in the bed of the truck, the short steel and the copper, brass. I got some dirty brass that I probably should have cleaned. But being that I don't have a vise and I don't really feel like beating my hands up, I mean, I think I get 90 cents a pound for it with the steel on it, which is pretty good. So I mean, yeah, I'm losing some, but I'm gaining because I don't have to do the work. So, all right, I'm not gonna film in the scrapyard just because, you know, I think it's rude and I can't film at the same time I'm unloading. So, put your guesses in and see what you think this weighs, and what it actually pays. I think you might be surprised. But all right, next time will be the breakdown of what it actually comes out to be. So I didn't get the recording, but we weighed a lot. I think it was 12,000 pounds. So I dumped the tin off, and now it's 9,900. And I just dumped my short steel, so we had 800 pounds of short steel. So here's the non-ferrous stuff we have. This is regular brass. This is a can of copper. It fell over in the back of my truck. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 cans of dirty brass, some batteries, some electric motors. Yeah, so see what this brings. Okay, so we had 53 pounds of number 2 copper, 158 pounds of batteries, 28 pounds of starters, alternators, they were starters, 124 pounds of electric motors, and number 2 insulated copper wire, 55%, was 69 pounds. This isn't the money, this is pounds. And brass, I had 54 pounds, 1 bucket. And then dirty brass, I had 4 buckets, which was 195 pounds. So let's see what I get paid. Put your guesses in. Okay, so the loaded trailer was tin. As you can see, that was a 2,100 pounds, and the price, which is my price, is $227 a gross ton, which came out to $212 with the stuff on the trailer, as you've seen in the beginning of the video. And then short steel was those 2 garbage cans, that couple pieces of steel, and some of the stuff that was in the corner. Hold on, let me move this. That was 780 pounds of short steel, and my price is $293 a gross ton. And it paid $102, which was a grand total of $314. Now, this was the non-ferrous metal in the metal shop. Let me get this ready for you. Number 2 copper, as you've seen when I showed you the slip in there. I had 53 pounds at $2.95 a pound, was $156.35. Yeah, it's good. Car batteries at 158 pounds, 23 cents a pound, and it was $36.34. It's gonna be a big one. All right, starters, alternators, 45 cents a pound, and it was $12.01 or $12.15. Sorry, I can't talk. Electric motors, I had 124 pounds, 30 cents a pound, $37.20. Electric motor, that was one I missed, 13 pounds. That was $3.08 for one half horsepower electric motor. The insulated copper wire, which was like thick household service grade. Number 2 wire, 55%, was $1.20 a pound. That was $82.80, which is pretty good. Yellow brass, which was one 5-gallon bucket, not super filled, was 54 pounds, which is a lot for a bucket, and that was $108. And then dirty brass, which was those 4 5-gallon buckets. I had 195 pounds. Yeah, I could have cleaned this stuff a little better, but I got $1.15 for it, which was $224.25. Which makes the grand total today, I'm going to cover my name so you can't see it, $660.99. So with the, how much was this one? $314, that's $975. Not bad for a Monday.